Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Hyundai i10 SE. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine with the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 60 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 2, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a 3-owner vehicle, having covered just over 34,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Polar White and looks in great condition, fares your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior, a good hard wearing fabric there on the seats with 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard you have your radio there with DAB, Bluetooth for your phone as well, and then a few other features I can mention. The car also has air conditioning, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and full window controls. For a small hatchback, it's surprising how much room there is in the back, so lots a good amount of leg room and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and there's also a cup holder in the centre for the rear passengers too. Opening the tailgate reveals the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a spare wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights and the 14-inch wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.